Well, we had put some plastic up when it was going to get cold. Well, now it's getting really cold, so we're going to go ahead and pull the plastic and go ahead and pick the rest of the peppers and tomatoes that we want, and then we'll start on something else. But this is give it a couple of days of growing. Well, now we got the plastic up and the bricks out. Little bag, start picking the peppers. All right, we have a bag of peppers. We'll take those in the house. Now we're going to go ahead and start pulling these up. It's supposed to get down into 20s and teens, so they're not going to survive any. Well, that's it for the tomatoes and peppers. They're done for the year. We got all these done. I'll put some more wood chips over them, kind of compost over them. I still got some left. And now we'll take a look at, well, coming up we're going to be pulling all the loofahs as well as digging up the sweet potatoes. A lot of work digging sweet potatoes, but we'll get started on that. So remember, like and subscribe, because we got a lot more content coming. Not just gardening stuff, freeze drying, canning, as well as working on welding projects, just kind of stuff working around the house, archery instructions, and all kinds of different stuff. So make sure you subscribe. Learn to fix it yourself is what the channel is called, and that's what we do. As I do stuff, I'm hoping that you can learn from what I'm doing. Maybe you can see how I'm doing it wrong and doing it right. If I'm doing it differently than what you are, or if I'm doing it right and you've been trying to struggle with it, that's what it's all about, is helping you learn to do it yourself.